So in reloading 458, you're going to want to start by taking some of this lube, putting it on the lube pad. You're going to roll these in it, and tap them on the end. And you're going to put them in this press with the depriming dye. You're going to pull down the whole way, which that's going to take the primer out and size it. That's what that ping was the primer coming out. So there's no primer. You're ready for the next step. Then you're going to take, after you've deprimed them, then you're going to take and put them in to the tumbler. Put the lid on, and leave them in for a couple hours. Now they're done. Then you're going to take this, lock it, take and dump it into here, and it's going to sift through and get all of the brass out. Then you're going to close it and roll it. So now we're going to bell them. So we've already taken the primer out. We've already put them in the tumbler. So now I've already put the belling die in. So now you're going to pull down this handle. It's going to bell them. So it's going to put a taper on the cartridge. Then we're going to take this tool and do what's called chamfering, which you're going to take, put it on the outside, and then spin it around a couple times. And use the other side and spin it around a couple times. That's going to take all the burrs off the outside. And you're going to take this tool, put it in the primer pocket, and twist. And that's also going to clean it out. So it's a lot cleaner. So in this part, we're going to actually prime them, which is putting a new primer in, so that when you pull the trigger next time, it will, that's what starts the reaction. So you put your casing in there, you're going to push down on this handle, and don't push too far. It should be about that far away, or else it may explode as you do it. That's why I'm wearing safety glasses. So then, now you've got a new primer in. Then you're going to want to consult one of your manuals, like the ones up there, and look through it and see what kind of powder you have. So these are all the different kinds of powders. Then how much you should use for your start charge, and then how much the max before you'll start to break stuff. So you're going to figure out what powder you have and how much you are going to need for each bullet. So like this is a 350 grain bullet. This is a 400. We are using 500 grain bullets like this one here, except they are home cast, like this. So we did this ourselves by melting down lead and putting it into this form, and then putting a gas check on, and putting the wax in here. So then I'll show you how to do that. So now we're over here with the ones that we've cast. So you're going to take it, put your gas check on, just slips on the end, and you're going to put it in this machine. You're going to push this down, make sure it's completely aligned, like that. You're going to push down, and here, takes quite a bit of force until it stops. And you're going to take this, tighten it up about half a turn. You're going to pull back up on this handle. You should have the wax in all the grooves. So I've already put my powder in. We're using 4891 IMR. So then you're going to turn this thingy to adjust it in and out, depending on how much powder you need. I have already done that. So now we're going to take and put it in our cartridges. So now you're going to take, pull up on this handle, which is going to put the powder in this tube, tap to make sure it all goes in. You're going to pull down on the handle. It's actually going to go into the cartridge. Tap on it to make sure it all goes in. So now that's all in. You're going to take one of your bullets, put it on top. You're going to change out this dye. So then you're going to change out the dye. You're going to put that in there, put it in your number 5 shell holder, pull down on the handle. That's going to seat it, which means it's going to push it in. It's also going to crimp the edge so the bullet stays where it's supposed to be. This in my hand is 20 rounds. If you were to buy this from the store, this would cost about $100. Reloading these, 20 of them, cost me $7.17. It's a lot cheaper. The only thing is, if you have more ammo, you're going to shoot more ammo.